Ethan, over here. How was your weekend? Amazing. We got a brand new home theater installed. That sounds incredible. Only the best for my family. Another good day ahead. I finished my project sketch last night. Grandma helped me with the tricky part. What is she making? That's Grace. She makes everything herself. Why not just buy it? I don't think her family can, really.
Class, our science fair is 1 week away. You'll work in pairs, and I'll assign your partners today.
I love Science Fair Week. I hope I get a good partner.
Ethan, you'll be paired with Grace this year.
Oh, great. Hi, Ethan. I'm looking forward to working together. Yeah, sure. Sounds fine.
We should just buy the deluxe volcano kit online.
We could also build one ourselves. It's more fun that way. Building it ourselves sounds like a lot of extra work. I promise it's worth it. Trust me. What if we build a solar-powered fan instead? We can use a small motor and some recycled parts. Will that even work as well as a store kit? It will, if we build it carefully. Idea, build, try. Idea, build, try. That's how every good project starts. Welcome! We can work on the project here.
Oh, okay, this is cozy.
It's small, but it's full of good ideas. I guess we'll find out.
Welcome, Ethan. Grace has told me about you.
Thank you for having me, ma'am.
Make yourself comfortable. Can I get you some tea?
That would be nice, thank you. This motor came from an old broken toy fan. You're really going to use all of this? Every piece has a purpose if you look closely enough. If you say so. Wait, how does that connect exactly? The panel captures sunlight and powers the motor. That's actually pretty clever. Thank you. I've been practicing for a while. It's actually spinning! You made that work! Told you it would, with a little patience. This is way cooler than a store-bought kit. I'm glad you think so.
You know, the best things are often made with care, not money.
I'm starting to understand that. Grace has always had clever hands and a kind heart. I didn't realize things were this tight for them. Grace never once complained about any of it. She just quietly makes the best of everything. Grace, you're really talented at this kind of thing. That's kind of you to say, Ethan. I mean it. I'm glad we got paired together. It's really coming together beautifully. I've never painted anything by hand before. You're doing a great job. I actually really enjoyed today.
Wait, you built it yourselves? Not the deluxe kit? Yeah, and it works even better than I expected. That's surprising, coming from you. Grace taught me a lot this week.
Team, learn, respect. Team, learn. That's what this week taught us. Our table looks great, don't you think?
It really does. I'm actually nervous.
Me too, a little, but excited too.
Let's go show everyone what we built. My robot kit has 12 different functions.
Wow, that looks really complicated.
It's the newest model, only the best.
I hope all those cords are plugged in safely.
Whoa! What just happened? Your cords are smoking a little. I don't know what to do!
Someone get a teacher, quickly! It's okay, everyone. Just step back a little. The cords are overloaded, that's all this is.
How do you know that so quickly?
I've fixed wiring like this before at home. There, all unplugged and safe now.
Well done, Grace. Very quick thinking.
Thank you so much, Grace.
Everyone, let's give her a round of applause.
That's my partner, everyone!
It really wasn't a big deal.
It absolutely was. You knew exactly what to do.
I just didn't want anyone to get hurt. This is a wonderful use of recycled materials. Thank you. We built it from things we already had.
Very impressive engineering for your age.
Grace designed most of it. She's incredibly talented.
Do you think we have a chance?
I honestly don't know, but I'm proud of what we made. Me too, no matter what happens.
That's a really good way to think about it.
First place goes to Ethan and Grace for Sunshine Power.
We won? We actually won? We really did it, Grace!
A wonderful example of creativity and teamwork.
I can't believe this is real! Best science fair ever, hands down. Grandma's here, look, she's so happy. She should be proud. You're amazing, Grace. Proud. Win. Together. Proud. Win. Together. That's exactly how this feels. Mom, Dad, I want to talk to you about my friend Grace. Of course, sweetheart. Tell us about her. Her family works really hard, but things are tight for them.
That's very thoughtful of you to notice, Ethan.
We could hire Grace's grandmother for some sewing work. She's really skilled. I saw her workspace myself.
That sounds like a respectful way to help. I think that's exactly the right idea.
I heard you do wonderful sewing work, Mrs. Nell.
That's very kind of you to say. I have several projects that need a skilled hand.
I would be glad to help. Thank you for asking.
Grace, I have new sewing work this week.
That's wonderful, Grandma. How did this happen?
Ethan's mother recommended me to some friends. He really is a good friend, isn't he?
Thank you for what your family did for my grandma.
She's really talented. It wasn't charity, just fair work.
That means so much to us, truly.
You're my friend, Grace. That's just what friends do. You two make a really good team, you know.
We really do, don't we?
Best partner I could have asked for.
Same to you, Ethan.
Here, let me show you a simpler way to do this.
Thanks, Ethan. That really helps.
Happy to help. That's what Grace taught me.
You're a natural at this now. You have so many building and engineering books.
I never used to read them much, honestly.
We should build something else together sometime.
I'd really like that, Grace.
Business has really picked up lately. I can finally save a little each month now. All because of one kind gesture.
Please welcome our science fair champions once again.
We built this using things we already had at home. And we learned that good ideas matter more than expensive parts.
A wonderful lesson for the whole school.
See you both tomorrow, same time? Wouldn't miss it for anything. Best friends, rain or shine. Rain or shine, always.
I'm so proud of you, Grace. I couldn't have done it without Ethan or you. True friendship finds its way, dear.
I really believe that now.